How to draw chibi body proportions. In this video, I want to share to you how I draw chibi body proportions. But before that, let's discuss a bit what is a chibi. Chibi is also known as a super deformation or SD. It's a style of caricature originating in Japan and common in anime and manga, where characters are drawn typically small and chubby with stubby limbs. In short, chibi drawing as a tiny, squishy version of a character. Now you get the idea. So here's how we proportion our chibi character. First, start by creating 4 horizontal lines. We can now see that there are 3 spaces in the center. So we can now start adding our characters. The first chibi, shall we call it the Classic Chibi? Start by adding the circle on the first space. This will become our head. The same height as of the head, we can plot the body with the arms in the second space. Just simply scribble circles and imagine that it's the arms and head. Then on the third, we can add the hip down to the legs and the foot. Now we have our classic chibi. Simple, right? Okay, let's proceed to the second. We can call this chibi the Petite Chibi. Now, how to begin? Now begin the same size of the head by drawing a line on the center of the first and also the second space. We can plot the head simply by drawing the same size circle. Now we can plot the body starting from the second space center and third space center. Drawing the body and the limbs, but this time, it's a bit smaller than the first one. Now we are down to the last proportion. It has the same head size but the body proportion is smaller. To draw this, we have to begin the head at the second space. Now we are shrinking the body as what a chibi should be. Divide the third space to 2 and draw the body. Down to the legs, and then we now have the 3 chibi body proportion. Well, we can now practice the proportions and try sketching the edges. Depending on the type of body proportions, you can adjust your character detail. And going smaller proportions, you can make the character more or less on detail. In drawing characters, don't be afraid to try and scribble. Just consistently practice and you will learn to improve your drawing in the process. Chibi are not limited to human drawing. Also, we can add pets and animals. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more art content. Leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time,
keep on creating.